So our next part of speech is pronoun. So a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Examples of pronouns are I, you, he, she or it. And we have a sentence for that. He is very clever. So the pronoun used here is he. It is a personal pronoun. So he is very clever. The next part of speech, preposition. So a preposition links a noun to another word. It tells us where a thing is placed. At, in, of, and, after, under are all examples of prepositions. She was hiding under the table. So the word under tells us the place where she was hiding. The next is conjunction. So a conjunction is a word that joins two words, sentences or phrases. Examples are but, and, while, when. These are all examples of conjunctions. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. So the word but is the conjunction that is used to combine two sentences. And our last part of speech is interjection. So an interjection is a short exclamation and it tells us the feelings or emotions. When the feeling or emotion is very strong, then we use an exclamatory mark or a question mark. When the emotion or feeling expressed is mild, then we use a comma. Examples are ho, hi, ouch, wow. These are all interjections that are used. Wow, what a beautiful gift. So the interjection precedes with a exclamatory mark because the emotion or feeling expressed is to the maximum, is strong. So then we use the exclamatory mark. Wow, what a beautiful gift. So children, these are the different parts of speech in grammar, and I do hope you have understood the topics and the explanation and the examples or the exercise given. So I would like you to watch the Pebbles channel and like and subscribe and like to this channel. So until we meet again in our next topic.